first of all, I'll introduce few features of the Mendeley Reference Manager, or we can say the Mendeley Desktop. So in Mendeley Reference Manager, it is a free referencing manager that can help the researcher to collect the references, organize the citation, and create the bibliography or the reference section. It is owned by the Elsevier and integrated with the Science Direct. Now there is a question, why Mendeley for the reference managing? So there is few features that can enhance the workability of a researcher. So it is an academic social network that enable to share the research work with the other researcher. It also collaborate online with the public. There is some option of the private group and the public group, so the researcher can collaborate their research with another person of the same domain, and it can help to connect the other scholars or the latest research in the particular subject area overall the world. And in the Mendeley Reference Manager, we can collect the references online using web. There is a one option, the web importer, and we can automatically generate the citation and the bibliography using this particular tool. And one researcher can create a library, means the set of research articles, and he can read or highlight the PDF in this particular software. It means he or she can set of document to prepare his thesis, or you can say the any research article. And it also helps to collaborate with the other researcher at this particular platform online. And we can import the paper from the other research software to use for our particular citation and the reference purpose. And we can access this library or this particular library of Mendeley from anywhere online. And we can also access the papers using the mobile app. There is Android app is also available for the Mendeley Desktop. And we can build a professional presence with the Mendeley profile. There is one option to create the Mendeley profile, and that is one of method to show your professional presence. So when we thought working with Mendeley, so there is few steps. First of all, we have to install the Mendeley Desktop in our system. Then second is we have to build the Mendeley library, and in Mendeley library we add the references, or we import the references from a website or any other sources. And then we can use this particular desktop, Mendeley Desktop, for generating the citation and the bibliography. And we can also change the citation style with use few clicks. So this is all about the basics of this particular Mendeley. Now we will start our training session from the beginning, from the installation. So to install this particular Mendeley Desktop, we can search using any of search engine with the keyword Mendeley Desktop. If you are using the Google, then you can directly find this. And the participants can do this practice side by side if either they feel comfortable. So you have to go to the mendeley.com to install the Mendeley desktop in our system. And there is the option, download the Mendeley Desktop. You have to just click here and it will direct it to the downloading start. I have already, so I am pausing this here. And after downloading, we have to install this Mendeley Desktop in our system. So this is a basic process. I think all the researchers know very well. and using the few steps and accepting the term and condition, we can easily install in our system. Yes. Now it is installed in my system. Yes. Now there is a login option is there, email ID and password. If you have your account with the Mendeley already, then we can use this login and password of our login, and then we will proceed to add the sign in. Otherwise, if you are new to the Mendeley, then click on the register and it will direct us to the, yes. So I have already my account with the Mendeley. Yes. So this will be the appearance of the particular it will direct to the Elsevier website, and we have to create our account with the Mendeley. So you have to put your email ID and proceed continue. You have to create your password. And then click on register. Okay, I think there is a, I missed the family name. So now my account in the Mendeley has been created, and this is the my login. Yes. Now I will put the my login details here for sign in. Yes. So this is the Mendeley desktop, and this central part is the Mendeley library part, because we have created our account first time, then there is no document is here, and we have to create our library, or we have to prepare our library. Library means a set of document we need to need the document for the citation or the reference purpose for our thesis or any of a research article. So there is few option. Suppose we are writing a article and we need 20 paper for the citation or the reference purpose. So all the 20 paper article should be in our library. So there is a few option. We can create the library, or we can add the document. There is the one option. This is the add. So we can add the file from the first option. There is a add folder option, the watch folder option, or add manual entry option. So in the first option, add file, if you have any article in the soft copy in your PC in the PDF form, then you can directly select this file and you can add the particular document or the article in your library. We have selected the two paper and both are here in the our library. And when you have inserted or added the paper in the library, then we have to click on the each and every paper to review the detail. This is the right hand, that is, this is the review section. And in this section, you have to review if there is any detail is missing. So the title, author's name, other detail, because these details are essential for our reference purpose. So these details should be correct. If there is sometime there is possibility to the some details are missing, then you can look up for the DOI. If the DOI is there, then there is an option to look up for. Then click on the this option and all the missing details will automatically update it. This is the common practice when we are using the Mendeley. You have to just click on the lookup. Means all the details of this particular document automatically updated. So when adding the files, means in the first option we can choose the files one by one or the multiple file from any of the folder. But there is the second option, add folder. Means if you have a folder with the selected files of your requirement, then you can directly add a folder with the multiple file with a single click. Click on this and you have to select a particular folder. Suppose we are adding a particular folder from the desktop. There is May. We are selecting this folder, May 2021, and just click here. All the PDF or document of this particular folder will automatically add it to our library. So this is the second option by which we can add the document in our library. And after adding the document, we have to review all the things. There is issue number is missed. There may be a chance that the updation. So just look up for the DOI. I think there is no issue number is there. So I think these details are correct. And in the similar way, you have to check each and every document after adding in our library. So now these all the papers or the references or articles are ready for use. Then there is the third option, watch folder option. Suppose you are searching the document for your article, then you are searching online and you are downloading the document. So in such case, if you are selecting this option, it is better to select. We have to select a folder from any of, suppose I am selecting this particular folder, July 2020. It means the Mendeley desktop will keep watching this folder. If any new document is added to this folder, then the Mendeley is automatically update or add this particular new files to the Mendeley library. So there is no need to add. So it will keep watching the. Now for the practice, yes, this is the folder we have added. I think so. We have to just click here and we have selected a folder July 2020. Okay, now we will add the document in this particular folder. Yes, suppose I'm selecting these 4 papers from this folder and I will paste in this, all this here. Now you can check from the Mendeley, all the 4 paper will automatically update in our library. And side by side, when you are adding the document in the library, please perform the synchronizing. Just click on the sync here. This is the option for the synchronize. So in the similar way, there is the another option, add entry manually. If you have any of hard copy, there is no PDF or the soft copy is available with you. Suppose there is any book and I want to add the particular book for our reference purpose, then in such case we can add the document using this add manual entry. And in this option there is the type of document. There is so many options. There may be a bill, it may be a book section, case, computer program, proceeding, film, hearing, journal article. There is so many options, and we can suppose we are adding any thesis, and you can add the title manually. Authors, year of publication, page number, like this. And abstract is, I think, no necessary for, means in this section you have to add all the details which are necessary for the citation or the reference purpose when you are using this particular document for your reference purpose. So this document is added manually. So these 4 options when you have a document with you. And there is another option, because generally we are prefer to search the document online. Suppose you are searching any document using the scholars.google.com or any other the search engine. So you are using any keyword of your practice. So for now, suppose I am searching the document directly from the website or any journal site, any publication site. So I want to add the few documents from this particular search directly to the Mendeley. So there is one option to add the using the web importer. There is one option is the web importer. In the tool section, install web importer. Just click here and it will create a interface between the browser and the Mendeley desktop. Get the web importer for the Chrome. Just click here and the extension for the Mendeley web importer is added to the browser. And it will help us to directly add a document from the web search to the Mendeley desktop. It will automatically add the document in our library. We will do the practice. Yes. So the extension is added here. Now suppose we are searching the document here, and in search, after reviewing, if you feel that particular document is important for our citation or the reference purpose, then you can directly use this option, the web importer. Just click here. Initially it sign in and then it work frequently. Yes, it taking time, so I think so we can explain in later. There is no issue. So in this way, sorry, it's working. Okay, okay. Yes. So when we click on the web importer, then the document available in this particular web page is here. So suppose this first one is the required document we want to add in our Mendeley. So just select the document and click on the add to Mendeley. Now this particular document is added in our Mendeley library and you have to perform just click on the sync, and after synchronizing you will see that this particular document, this is the document we add through the using the web importer. And the same practice we have to do for the this, we have to check the review all the details. If there is any detail is missing, then you have to look up for the DOI to update all the details. Now it is all the details has been updated, then click on the details are correct. And in the similar way, you can search any another document and add using, either you can directly there is you are searching for the FSW of for example magnesium alloys. It may be another keyword. Suppose you are searching for the cloud computing, the keyword cloud computing security. So there is so many documents on this particular keyword, then you have to click on the Mendeley web importer, and all the document of this page, all the articles of this page will appear in this window of the web importer, and you can select as per your requirement, and you can directly add this document in the Mendeley library. When you are using the Mendeley, then the creating the library, or we can say the adding the document in the Mendeley library may take the few times, but after completing the Mendeley library, it will help you to managing the references or citation with a single click. It will save your time. Suppose you are selecting there are 2 or 3 documents from this particular page. Uh, this one, 2, and there may be another like this. You are selecting these 3 document and you want to add this 3 document in your Mendeley library. Then just click on the add to Mendeley, and the same process we have to just perform the synchronizing, because the Mendeley desktop is also working offline. Then you have to perform the synchronizing, and you will see this document has been added, these 3 documents. So review one by one there is a few details are missing, volume here like this, and then the DOI is also the DOI is not available, then you can click on the search and you will see that the document has been updated. The missing details automatically updated, and now you can click for the details are correct. In the similar way, there is also a few details are missing, then the DOI is also not available, then you can search, click on the search, and you will see the details automatically updated. And then the third option, the next document, the DOI is also not available, then you can search and you will see the, yes, the missing, there is the details are still missing. In such case, you can, there is the PDF is available, then you can click on the PDF, and if the details are available with the particular document, then you can directly update from the PDF. I think these details are missing from this particular document. The year of publication, page number, all the things are the missing. So I think this is not the appropriate document to for selecting the reference purpose, because when you are writing a article, research article, then it is necessary to select the good references. So I think this is not a appropriate document, then you can directly delete it, delete the document. So now we have discussed how to add the document in the library when we have the document in our system or PC, or we can search from the online. Now, the Mendeley also provide an option to import the references or the document to update the library. And to import, there is 3 acceptable format for the Mendeley's. First is the .bib format, second is the endnote.xml format, and third is the .res format. If you have any exported file of any other reference manager software in the format of these 3 acceptable format, then you can directly import the references from the any other software. Suppose my supervisor is using the EndNote and he's providing me an exported file from the EndNote in .xml format, then I can directly import that particular exported file in my library, and all the document of that exported file will automatically updated in my Mendeley library. So at present we do not have any exported file, then otherwise we can perform suppose these 5. I have selected the 5 document, and first I will export these 5 in the .bib format, and I'm selecting the desktop to save. I have export the first 5 document in the .res format, and I am deleting this document from the library and perform the synchronize. Now I have a exported file of a software in the .res format, and I want to import these 5 references using this exported file. So this is the exported file. You have to go to the particular folder and select the file and then just click. So these 5 documents has been added using this import option. So in this way, you can add the document in the Mendeley library using the 4 option available here. If you have the document in the soft copy or the hard copy, and in the another way, you can directly search the document online, and you can add to your library using the web importer. And the third method is to import from the another sources, another reference manager softwares. And after doing this practice, your library is completed in all respect. Now you can use these articles for your reference purpose for any of the document, any of the article for thesis purpose. These are the total 15 documents. So to start with this Mendeley software, to just click on the tool, and you have to create a interface with the MS Word. So I have already installed, then I am uninstalling this. When you click on the tools, there is the second option, install MS Word plugin. You have to click on this option, and it will create a interface between the Mendeley desktop and the Word document file. And now you can start using this Mendeley desktop for your reference or the citation purpose. And for this practice, I'm opening this particular page, web document, sorry, Word document. Yes. Suppose I am starting the writing practice. I am writing the document, and during our writing practice, we use to cite the literature or the earlier published papers. So when you start writing with using the Mendeley desktop, suppose I have written this first sentence and I want to cite this particular sentence. So first of all, you have to click on the place where you want to insert the citation. So I want to insert the citation at the end of this sentence, and there is this is the reference. When you click on the reference section in the Word file, this is the subsection of the Mendeley, and there is one option is the insert citation, undo, refresh, export as, insert bibliography, open Mendeley, and the style IEEE. So first of all, if you know the style which you want to use for your document, because there is so many citation style or the reference style available in the Mendeley. Suppose I want to select the style first. There is I have already selected the IEEE, and I am doing I am using the IEEE for this particular document. So after selection of the style, we will discuss this style in later with how to change the style, how to find the appropriate reference style like this. So at present, we will discuss about how to insert the citation in the document. So just first of all, we have to select we have to click on the place where you want to insert the citation, then just click on the insert citation, and this pop-up window will appear here when you click on the insert citation. Now you can search the document by the name of author, or title of the article, year of publication, or any other keyword from your Mendeley library. Suppose I am searching a document with the keyword FSW. There is the two documents, and the first one is appropriate to citation after this particular first sentence. Thus, click OK, and you will see the citation is inserted here. In the similar way, after the second sentence, I want to insert the citation, and just click on the insert citation. Here we will use the two citation, multiple citation. So we will try to search by using the year. There is the two documents with the year 2016. Just click on this, or again like this. This search is totally depend upon your keywords or upon your document or your topic. Now, 2 and 3rd, the two citations are inserted here. In the similar way, after the third sentence, just click and find the document with your any of the keyword. You can search the document with the name of author also. I'm inserting the 3 citation here. It will automatically arrange as per the selected style IEEE. Yes. So here we use total 6 citation in this particular paragraph. Now we want to insert the bibliography or references at the end of document. Reference in the reference section, and just click at the place where we want to insert the references, and then click on the insert bibliography, and it will automatically insert the 6 references here as per the selected style. Now we are using the Mendeley, and we have written this document, and when we show this document our colleagues, our supervisor, and they suggest few changes. Suppose they advise to shift this third sentence in the beginning and the second sentence in the yes, there may be a one change or there may be more than one change. We are shifting this like this. If you are not using any Mendeley software, then you have to manually arrange or rearrange these the references and the citation. But if you are using this software, you have to just make the changes by copy and paste, and then click on the refresh, and you will find that all the references will automatically updated, and the citation also updated according to the modification. So this is the main motive of using this software for the reference management, and it will save our time. Now, second thing is, suppose we have sent this paper to a journal, and by bad luck, it may be rejected by the during the reviewing process, and we have updated this document or this article, and we want to send to the another journal. There may be a change in the reference style by preferred by the another journal. Then we have to change the citation as well as the reference according to the journal requirement. Means we have to change the reference style. So for this purpose, you have to just select the appropriate style. There is 5 to 10, the reference style is here. Otherwise, there is more style option is there. Just click on the more style and get more style here. In this section, you can search the reference style using keywords, like suppose you are finding APA style, and there is so many APA reference style is there. There is some of particular society, journal, university has their inbuilt style for the Mendeley. There is so many journals have their style for the particular journal. And if you know the name of the journal, then you can directly find the appropriate style for that particular journal. There is so many options. And suppose you are searching a reference style for any university. So you can search by the name of university. There is so many university are also have their inbuilt reference style for Mendeley.
Can you search Asia Pacific University?
Yes, yes, sir.
Asia Pacific University, Malaysia.
I'm searching. Yes, there is Asia Pacific Education Review. There may be Asia Pacific Journal of Education. There is Journal of Asia Pacific Economy. I think no, not available for the Asia Pacific University.
Also, tell me one thing. If in the last you said that we can append the references in the last
Yes,
section.
Sorry.
Last side you added the references, right? Reference
Yes.
list.
Yes, yes, sir.
So when we press on insert the reference list, so
yes.
will the all references, all 15 which you created in Mendeley will appear, or only those we have added as
only
text citation?
Those who are added, we have added in our document. I have added only the six document, six citation here. Only six will appear in our list.
That's good. That's good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So,
please go on.
Okay, thank you, sir. So we can change the reference style using this practice. Suppose for our practice, suppose you are searching for any of journal, ACI material journal like this. So we have to just install this particular style, and then we have to click on the install, and this is our installed, all installed references are appear here. Then we have to select the appropriate, use this style. Now it is selected, and just click. Okay. And it will be automatically modified or updated according to the selected style, and the references also managed according to the particular style. So this is the main objective of this Mendeley tool used for the reference management. And there is some another option are also there. Suppose I'm deleting this particular citation from here. Suppose I am inserting the citation here. When we click on this this window, then there is another option, go to the Mendeley. If you are facing any problem to search the appropriate document for citation, for a particular citation, then you can click here, and it will direct to the Mendeley desktop, and you can search the document from here. And suppose I want to cite this document, then click on this document, and there is the cite option is there. This option will appear when we select the go to Mendeley option from the document. Otherwise, the cite option is never appear here. And just when you click on the cite, that particular document is selected. And now this is the number second is here, and there is also second, means we have used the second reference more than one time in this paragraph. So it will automatically manage these things. Now, sir, we can take the queries because I think almost the things we have completed, and there may be some difficulty. The researcher, when they start using this first time, so I will share my email IDs, and there my WhatsApp number is also there. So researcher can directly contact me for any of difficulty. In case of any difficulty, I will definitely help them, because
Yes.
this is very simple. But first of all, we have to, there is two things is important. First of all, we have to add all the document in our Mendeley library, those who we want to add in our use in our document. And the second thing is the particular reference style is, if we know, then we have to start from the beginning. Otherwise it is very easy to change the style. And one thing more, when we have prepared this document and we want to send the document to the journal, then there is no need to send this document with the Mendeley fields, because when you are selecting this document, the Mendeley fields are appear here. So always send the document export as option. There is this option without Mendeley fields. When you click on this option, then the document is downloaded will be without Mendeley fields. Yes, this is the document. Sorry. This is, so we have exported this document. Now the Mendeley field will not appear here, means nobody can change your reference style or their numbering.